Okay, guys, today we're here at 19507 North 89th Drive here in Peoria, Arizona. As you can see, this is the home here right in front of us. And take a quick look around at this beautiful neighborhood. You can see how quiet it is. I mean, I've been here for about 5 minutes. I've already seen like 3 or 4 people walking their dogs. It's a really nice, quiet, safe neighborhood to be in. And you can see you get a lot of beautiful landscaping as well. That's also at low maintenance. I mean, so you don't really have to do much to, for the upkeep of it, but it's always going to look amazing. And we'll step this way. You kind of get a private little entry area around here on the side. As you can see, all these beautiful plants and bushes and trees. Some really cool features to this home. So let's take a step inside. And as you can see, you walk right into a really good sized, I guess, living room, but it's also such an open concept. I mean, you can see all the way over to like your dining room. You can see through there to your kitchen. If you really wanted to, you could even put like the dining table over here because you get this beautiful chandelier hanging down. But what you can see is you get these vaulted ceilings. So I mean, it's easily probably 12 feet ceilings in here, maybe. Don't quote me on it, but I mean, they are way up there. So it helps it feel even more open, along with all the beautiful light flooring and paint. It feels ginormous in here. So one thing that I like to point out is all of these windows. So this is the front door we just came in. You can see all of these windows, and I kind of left them at different openings. So if you have a closed one up there, we have some open ones. This one's like half open. These ones are completely open, but you can actually close them all the way. As you can see back here, it's a little bit better example. So we have some that are like the door itself is closed, but they're actually open. Some that are opened up all the way. If you really wanted to, say like at nighttime, you could close this and it'll latch. And then you can close those down all the way for complete privacy. So let's step this way. And we'll take a quick left into this really nice sized laundry room. You can see all the beautiful cabinets in here. You even get a window in here. And there's also some uppers over here for the cabinet space. I mean, there's room down here. You could put, a little dresser, some like an ironing board. You can see it goes all the way back behind the door as well. And then we will step into your nice 2-car garage, which you can see, I don't even have the light on in here, and you can see how bright it is just from those window slits in the garage door itself. You get all your built-in cabinetry over here. I mean, this is a fantastic size garage. Some more storage back over here. So you're never gonna run out of storage space in there. So we'll step back here. This is where we just came through to the right, and we'll step into your super modern, beautiful kitchen. So you can see you get all stainless steel appliances, as you can see here. And I mean, one of my favorite, if not my favorite features of this home is this countertop. I believe it's like a granite marble type of countertop. I'm not for sure, but it looks amazing, especially with this dark accent down here below. You also get a nice little overhang as well. You put some bar stools up here, have some friends and family hang out, as well as this beautiful backsplash as well. I mean, this kitchen is the definition of modern, so you can see how nice it is. And I love that there's actually an opening up top as well. So that kind of opens up back into this living area that we just came through. That's the front door right there. So it even provides more of an open feel as well. So then over here is the dining room area that we saw. As you can see, again, there's probably about 100 windows in this home, which is just amazing. I don't even have many of the lights on, and it still looks insanely bright in here. So you can open all of these up as well and get even more light in here. And these are also the doors where these right two and these left two could swing open, kind of like some of these ones over here, and you could get even more light in here. And then let's come back through the living room, back past the front door. And you step into this little hallway with this cool little feature on the wall. It's like a little built-in like storage type of deal. If you had like a cool painting or something, you could hang it up in there. And that light actually runs off its own switch as well. So you could turn just that light on and off. But let's take a quick right into a really conveniently located storage closet right there. And then there's even more storage as well, all right here. And then we'll step into this bedroom. As you can see, I have all the windows all the way open, and those top ones can actually open as well. So you can see, I mean, this one looks out of the front of the home. You get a beautiful view of all the nice desert landscaping, the neighborhood, and plenty of daylight coming in. And this room is huge. I mean, this could easily be a primary bedroom if you'd like it to. And then over here, you get a closet. But I would argue to say this is actually a walk-in closet, because this hanger rod back here is actually quite a ways back there. So even if you had a bunch of shirts hanging up, you could easily take a step in here, no problem at all. So I would say you almost get a walk-in closet inside the guest bedroom, which is a really cool feature to have. And then one of my favorite parts of this home is you actually get this door right here. But we're going to save that for just 1 second. And we're going to step around this way into the super nice hall bathroom, guest bathroom. This could even really be the primary bathroom if you wanted it to, because the door that we just looked at actually opens up into the bathroom. So you can see this is the bedroom that we were just into, and it opens up into this beautiful bathroom in here. And then you can see they carry this beautiful countertop all throughout, from the kitchen to the bathrooms, even into the shower. So you can see it here, I mean, you get this beautiful, huge tile panel shower. You get the nice shower head up there. It's beautiful, easy to keep clean. So just a really cool feature to have in here. And then we'll step back into the hallway, and we're gonna see the massive primary bedroom here in front of us. You get these really cool double doors. You'll step into here and you can again see all of these windows. I have some of them closed, some of them open, just so you guys can see the variety of different options that you have. And then you get the nice ceiling fan as well. And I'm gonna come over here in the corner just to kind of show you guys how big this bedroom actually is. So you can see, I mean, this is a huge space in here. And then we'll step into the primary bathroom, which you can see again carrying the beautiful countertops all throughout, as well as the beautiful cabinetry. And you can see you get a dual vanity, which is amazing. There's actually a ginormous dual vanity as well. I mean, the space in between these sinks is, it's a ton of space. I mean, even if 2 people are getting ready, even if 3 people are getting ready, you're not gonna have an issue with space on this countertop. And then over here, you get another walk-in closet, which it's so big in here, you actually need your own light. Because you can see, I mean, you could easily walk all the way in here. The camera's not really going to pick this up, but I mean, I'm easily fitting in here, no problem at all. So this is a really good sized closet. And then you have a beautiful tub over here. You can get all the little jets in there, you get some windows. You get nice little shelving around it. You can put all your soaps up there, keep them out of the way. And then also, you get a shower as well. So you actually get a separate shower and a separate tub, which you don't really find too often in really any home now. So that's, a really nice custom touch to this home is you get both. So that's really cool. And also I want to point out, all the shower tile, all of that matches the other bathroom that we saw, so it's almost identical. So that's about it for the inside of the home. There's also the door in the living room, but I'm going to take this door directly from the primary bedroom out to the backyard, which again is a really nice size. So you can see you get a nice covered patio area over here. You can put some chairs, do whatever you'd like, have a little fire pit right here. And then again, you get a nice low maintenance landscaping as well, but you also get, this beautiful trees, some nice bushes with a little pop of color. And then over here, you have a really nice little seating area. You could even play some games over here. Put some umbrellas and a table, have some lunch out here. You could even put some string lights as well if you'd like to. And then you can see over here on both sides of the home, you actually get a little bit of extra space. So let me come over here as well. You know, just a little bit extra space, you know, you could use for storage, put a little shed back there. You know, so you have a ton of space in this backyard. So that's about it for the tour of this home. If you guys have any questions, you can take a look at our website at rpmphoenixvalley.com. You know, you can schedule a tour on there for yourself. You know, you can apply directly through there. You're probably watching this video directly through there as well. But if you have any questions, just take a look at our website. Again, that's rpmphoenixvalley.com. Thank you guys for touring with me.